Ever wondered how to unlock a passive income stream with Amazon Associates? Well, today we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of this popular affiliate marketing program and break it down into simple, actionable steps. First things first, what is Amazon Associates? Simply put, it's Amazon's affiliate marketing program that enables website owners, bloggers, and influencers to earn commissions by recommending Amazon products. Whenever a visitor clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase, the referrer earns a commission. Now, the big question, how do you get started with Amazon Associates? Step 1. Create an Amazon Associates account. Head over to the Amazon Associates homepage and click on Join Now for free. Fill in the required details and wait for a confirmation email. Step 2. Build your Amazon affiliate site. It could be a blog, a niche website, or a YouTube channel. The key here is to provide valuable content that attracts a steady flow of traffic. Step 3. Decide on your niche. Select a category that aligns with your content and interests. This could range from tech gadgets and home appliances to books and fashion. Step 4. Create your affiliate links. Once you've decided on the products you want to promote, go to your Amazon Associates dashboard, search for the product, and create your affiliate link. Step 5. Promote your affiliate links. Incorporate these links into your content naturally. You can place them within your articles, video descriptions, or social media posts. Step 6. Optimize your site for conversions. This could involve testing different link placements, using compelling call to actions, or improving your site's load speed. Step 7. Track your success. Amazon Associates provides detailed reports that allow you to track your clicks, sales, and earnings. Use this data to refine your strategy and maximize your earnings. So, to recap, Amazon Associates is a fantastic way to monetize your online platform. You start by creating an account, building your site, deciding on your niche, and creating affiliate links. Then, you promote these links, optimize your site for conversions, and track your success. Remember, the key to success with Amazon Associates, like with any affiliate marketing program, is to provide valuable content and promote products that align with your audience's interests. It may take time to see significant earnings, but with persistence, optimization, and a keen understanding of your audience, it's a rewarding way to generate passive income. That's all for today. Hopefully, this guide has provided you with a clear roadmap to getting started with Amazon Associates. Happy earning!